Your name was changed. Wonderful. Thank you.
Pleasure.
And such a pleasure.
Absolutely.
Such a pleasure to be partners.
Absolutely.
Here is a copy. Thank you very much. So it's a very, very special day. Something which we have been wanting to do for years. So it came to fruition today with the partnership of your outfit, Amplify. Amplify is the name, no? Not Amplifier.
No.
Amplify. And I'm so happy to see that is led by a very dynamic group of people. So we had dreams, and the dreams are going to take shape with the help of the group from Amplify. As our name indicates, Zion, entrepreneurship was part of our life here, part of our soul here. We have done a number of programs in the past, helped entrepreneurs to come up, but perhaps a more organized, systematic, total look at that issue is happening now. And we will join the new revolution that has hit India, the startup revolution. And Bangalore has a special place in the startup revolution. And whatever we could sign could contribute to that and spreading that to other places. Bangalore has been a leader in technology, and Bangalore should be a leader in startups too. And I see any number of them coming. So I would see that it's not a 3,100 that should happen in the next 4 or 5 years. It should reach 25,000. And if institutes such as ours, particularly management institutes, some of the leading ones can join this revolution, it will be a major contribution. I think we have defined our role in a very narrow sense. Management education stayed with a job, but now it should shift to creating entrepreneurs, creating job providers. That's what we want to do. And I'm so happy that today we could sign this document with Amplify, and together sure we could take it to newer heights of entrepreneurship ecosystem. Dr. Mathi is here. I'm sure he may have some say person who is well known in the field of entrepreneurship, both for research and guidance. He was associated with the IIM Bangalore Incubation Center. Dr. Mathi.
I'm also very happy that we are taking this initiative, especially in collaboration with Amplify, who have got a very specialized focus on technology and that to a specific technology called B2B SaaS, which probably they have identified as the emerging technology in the field. So as Professor Philip has mentioned, Xiaomi is really a pioneer in the field of combining management and entrepreneurship. Therefore, we will both benefit from collaborating with Amplify, also helping entrepreneurs and blooming in large numbers. Of course, I am a researcher. I mostly look at the pitfalls and the problems and all that, whereas action-oriented entrepreneurs look positive. And that is what should happen. We should look at the positive aspects of this initiative. Help, as Mao Zedong said, let 1,000 flowers bloom.
SIME is trying to train youngsters to be job providers than job seekers. That's the ultimate aim. The India for the future years, from a developing country to reach a developed country state. Such large number of job providers would be there than job seekers.
And we look forward to a very long, sustainable, that's a word now, no? Sustainable partnership with Amplify. Thank you, Amplify.
It's a nice collaboration because we get to showcase our talent as well. Like as if we were explained by us Amplify that the way it is going to be operated, like in terms of it is going to help with smart money. You're going to take the VCs, the investors. You're going to give mentorship, then the money. The most important thing for a startup is contacts. So you're going to provide us with contacts as well. So it's a big scope. I feel it's a good platform provided to XIME as well as to the people of like Bangalore, Karnataka, or whichever states or cities you're launching this program in. So it's a good opportunity for them because smart money is really rare, which I feel. So a money which is like money itself is rare, and smart with mentorship and all that gives us smart money. So that's really rare, I feel.
Add on to his point, I think that our institute is named Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, and I'm happy that during the Silver Jubilee, Amplify is coming and partnering with us to have an incubation center, which is a great opportunity for students. And as he said, like I also agree with that point that smart money is very important for students, and the mentorship, more than the smart money, the mentorship is really important. And I'm happy that incubation center is taking off in our college because a lot of students have great ideas, only they lack is a certain kind of guidance. So I'm really excited about it. So I look forward to working with all of them.
So this program will be beneficial to both XIME and Amplify, as there will be a lot of students in XIME who are like interested in taking up entrepreneurship as a serious profession, and this will be an exposure for them to know more about what is exactly B2B SaaS and whether they stand a chance to participate in it. And even we can like look how to interact with all these people who come up for the startup. So it will be overall growth for both of them. So we're very excited to be a part of this.
Yeah. So we are actually like from our institute, we are working on a live project, a digital marketing project on this institute and this program as a whole. So what we are doing, we are trying to get this awareness part to our friends, our colleagues, even the teachers. We are having our annual fest, that is Ximera 15 this year. So we have tried to promote this B2B SaaS through it as well. We are having banners, posters. We are trying to get a lot of culturals as well so that we can promote our this new incubation center, because I feel this is a reason to be proud of, like having an incubation center in a B school, especially as my friend told, a 25th anniversary of XIME, and we have something like this to showcase. So the journey of XIME, I feel in 25 years has shown because we finally, from Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, we actually have a meaning to the word entrepreneurship, and we provide you the way you can actually come in here, work with us, succeed.
And I have one more point to add to from a first year perspective. So there are a lot of first years that have brilliant ideas and they want to come up with certain business startups they have in mind. And for this one, the incubation center can prove as a very nice platform for them to test the waters and see what they can do and explore themselves to the maximum extent possible. So all of my friends are pretty excited about it, and the ones who are serious about it are really into it right now. So I think it's going to be a great success.
We have just read about incubators, what are they? So when I told my friends like we have incubator and XIME, like they are so excited. They want to see after once if people start coming here, we can learn whatever happens here. With that, it will be a seed for us to know more about incubators. So everyone overall like very excited about this incubator accelerator here.
So we are happy in the XIME family. We welcome B2B SaaS incubator and to be a part of us, and we as a family will surely go ahead and grow.
And we'll make sure this is a definite success here.
Thumbs up.
At Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, Bangalore, where we at Amplify signed a partnership to launch and run a B2B SaaS accelerator. We are extremely excited about this partnership. My colleagues Ravi and Vishnu are here with me. We're excited because of the commitment of XIME towards promoting entrepreneurship and startup culture. The way they promote entrepreneurship among their students is fantastic to see. The energy of the student community to support this accelerator program is just awesome. I strongly believe that every successful economy in the world provides, not just provides, but first of all encourages entrepreneurship amongst its youth, and then goes about providing an ecosystem to support that philosophy. With this Amplify XIME partnership, We hope to bring in that kind of an ecosystem, at least to the B2B SaaS space in India.
I'm here at XIME with my colleagues Sudarshan and Ravi. The atmosphere here is electric. There's a lot of excitement with what we are doing together between Amplify and XIME here. I'm excited about two key things. One is the focus that Amplify has around enterprise SaaS space. It's an extremely exciting area and a lot of future, a lot of application in the enterprise landscape. So a lot of ideas, I'm sure, will be flowing in this direction. And secondly, our ability today to create an ecosystem with the top institutes and surrounding institutes in Bangalore. What we need here is a window of opportunity for young entrepreneurial minds to explore the possibility and for us to be able to provide a framework and a platform for that to be successful. So a lot of excitement, a lot of future, and a lot of things to look forward to. Thank you.